A new toy is here. A fire truck. Hi guys, my name is Jake and I am a fire truck.
Hi, Jake.
What are you doing? We're playing with paint and learning colors.
And when the paint blasters are delivered, we'll go to the Play and Paint Activity Center.
Let me show you the colors we'll be learning at the Activity Center. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, white, gray, black.
Looks like the paint blasters are here. Let's go have some fun and learn colors. We are at the Play and Paint Center. Here, we are going to use paint blasters to cover these white walls with different colors. Okay, team. Now I'm going to coat you with light gray paint and then install the paint blasters. Okay, Jake, you will use red and orange. Let's fill your containers with red and orange paint. Max, you will use yellow and green. Pete, you will have blue and purple. Bill, you will have gray and black. And we will fill bubble containers with pink and brown. Let the fun begin!
Watch out! Here comes the red paint. And now orange.
And I've got blue. And purple.
Look out for Bubble! He's spraying paint! And now brown!
Yellow. Green.
Here comes gray. And now black.
Red. Orange. Yellow. Green.
Blue. Purple.
Pink. Brown.
Gray. Black.
We're all done. Look, we painted everything with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, gray, and black paint.
Oh no!
Don't worry, guys. I'll wash you.
Now we know our colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, gray, black.